So now what we're going to try to do is recreate this about the author block in the right-hand side. So I'm going to click the cogwheel and click Edit Panel. And let's start by adding the username of the author of this node. In the right side column, I'm going to click the cogwheel and add content. And if we clicked on node, we'd see that there's an option for node author. I'm going to click that and uncheck link to author profile and click finish. If we update and save, we'll see that we have the author. We're showing the title, we can hide that, and then the content here. Now we ran into this problem before where we had some content and we wanted to add some heading tags around it. And the only way we could really do that was by adding a custom pane and using a token or a substitution inside of that pane. So we're going to actually have to do that same thing here, but at least this is a good start. I'm going to click the cogwheel and Edit Panel. And on the right side, we're going to delete this pane. I'm going to have to click the cogwheel a couple of times and then remove, and then OK. And then I'll click the cogwheel again on the right-hand side and click Add Content. And we'll select New Custom Content. Let's expand the substitutions and scroll down. And right here, the first item is node author. So we'll copy that. And then in our body, we'll add h3 tags around the node author substitution. We'll leave the title as empty, but for the administrative title, let's type node author. And we'll scroll down and select finish. And if we click update and save, we have Betty Davis here. And if we look at the source code, I'm going to right click and select inspect element. We'll see that we're still in a paragraph tag. So what's going on here? If you can figure it out, I'll give you 10 points. Our problem is that we didn't select the proper text format. I'm going to exit out of the overlay here and we'll edit the panel again. And we're going to go into this pane. I'm going to click the cogwheel and edit. And then here under text format, we're going to select full HTML. So this was a problem we ran into before. I'm going to click finish. And if we click update and save, we'll see our Betty Davis in H3 tag. So it looks identical to over there.